Hi everyone and welcome to Nikki's Kitchen. Today we'll be making healthy pan-seared salmon. So let's get started. For this recipe you'll need 3 pounds of salmon, 1 cup of plain flour, 1 tablespoon of pepper, and 1 tablespoon of salt. Let's combine all our dry ingredients into a bowl, adding 1 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of salt. And combine all the dry ingredients well. Now let's prepare the salmon. Lightly coat the salmon with the flour mixture. And remember to coat the edges of the salmon. And gently pat to remove any excess flour. And continue to coat the rest of the salmons. Now that we're done flouring the salmon, let's move on to the next step. On medium-high heat, add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Make sure the pan is hot before adding the salmon. You can sprinkle a little flour on the pan. When the flour on the pan starts to sizzle, that's when you can add in your salmon. Pan-sear the salmon for 1 minute before flipping it over. If you want to know more about my channel, hit the subscribe button for the latest updates and videos. Then add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. This will give the salmon an extra crunch. Place a lid on your salmon and cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes of cooking, flip over your salmon and place back the lid and cook for an additional 2 minutes. After 2 minutes of cooking, remove the lid and sear the edges of the salmon for 30 seconds. After searing the edges of your salmon should look like this. And here you have it, perfectly cooked, healthy pan-seared salmon. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a big thumbs up. Bye for now and see you next time.